What are lavender essential oils benefits for hair? Well, in this video, I'm going to be covering 4 benefits of lavender essential oil for our hair. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And at any time during the video, feel free to check out the show notes and links in the description below this video, where I'm going to be sharing some additional helpful resources. And be sure to stick around until the end because I'm going to be sharing some great recipes for using lavender oil for your hair. Now let's jump into the video. So lavender essential oil has incredible benefits for a lot of different things, but specifically, what are some of the benefits of lavender essential oil for our hair? So the first benefit that we're going to be covering is it helps promote a healthy scalp. Now, lavender has antimicrobial properties. So what this means is it helps prevent bacteria and fungi from growing. This can be really helpful if you have a sensitive scalp because it helps to prevent itchiness and dandruff. Our second benefit is lavender oil helps promote hair growth. Now, in a study that I've linked below in the description of this video, it was found that lavender oil applied to mice made them grow more hair, and their hair also grew faster and thicker than normal. Now, from what we understand at this point is that lavender essential oil helps with improving the blood circulation to the hair follicles, which then helps our hair grow faster. Now, I have 2 more incredible benefits to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the lavender oil that you're using is very important. With applying lavender right to our scalp, it has a very close proximity to our brain. So we want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I have done a lot of research on the purity of oils, and I definitely encourage you to research it as well. And if you'd like to check out the lavender oil that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the links in the description below. Okay, benefit number 3, lavender oil helps to prevent or even kill head lice. I've linked a study below where lavender was tested along with another oil called tea tree oil, and it was found that these 2 oils can help to prevent or even kill head lice. And our last benefit for today, before I go into our bonus recipes, is lavender oil helps to curb skin inflammation. So if you're dealing with scalp inflammation or dryness, then lavender essential oil will be a great oil to apply. And of course, an added bonus with all of this is that lavender smells incredible. So whether we're using it for promoting a healthy scalp or hair growth, preventing head lice, or even to help with scalp inflammation, we also are enjoying the soothing, relaxing smell of lavender. Okay, so like I mentioned, I also have some incredible recipes to share with you now. But if you're someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop, where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now, our first recipe is a hair loss remedy. So for this one, we'll be using 5 drops each of the cedarwood, cypress, lavender, and rosemary oils. And what we're going to be doing with these is adding 5 drops of each of them to 2 ounces of shampoo and using it, of course, while we're shampooing. An alternative to the recipe I just shared would be to use those exact same oils, the cedarwood, cypress, lavender, and rosemary oils, 2 drops of each with 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be massaging that into our scalp, and we're going to put a shower cap on and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. And then of course afterwards, shampoo and condition your hair. And of course you'll want to do this more than just one time. And then our third and final recipe for today is the Hair Scalp Reviver. For this, you will need fractionated coconut oil, 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of protective blend, 1 drop of peppermint, and 1 drop of frankincense. And then the instructions are to combine all the essential oils and as much fractionated coconut oil that you think you would need for your hair length into a glass bottle and shake it, or into a glass bowl and mix it. And then we'll comb that through our hair and massage it into our scalp. Now we can leave this treatment on all day, or we can sleep in it, or we can wrap it and apply heat if we're after more of a quick treatment. And our scalps will definitely thank us and will smell amazing as well. Now, if you would like the PDF of these recipes as well as some other incredible recipes, check out the link in the description below. Now click or tap the screen here to check out my video all about how to use lavender essential oil for hair, or click or tap the screen here to learn all about the benefits of smelling lavender essential oil. And I'll see you in the next video.